step into the Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, Tradesman Level 2 equipment group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear window defroster, satin chrome interior door handles. For more info call 800-643-2112. Rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, STD, tires, LT 275/70 R18 EBSWS, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, urethane shift control, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, front armrest with cup holders, manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat, 3.73